Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. This tutorial is about the coronary heart disease. We have previously learned that the wall of the heart is made up of very special muscle fibers. These muscle fibers contract in order to allow the heart to pump blood all over the body. Now, these heart muscles can contract and relax throughout your entire life without getting tired. Now, this heart muscle is supplied with oxygen and food throughout the coronary artery. So, the heart muscle requires oxygen and food in order to remain functioning. Like any other organ, in order to function, it requires oxygen and food, which comes through the coronary artery. So this is the coronary artery, as you guys can see, which supplies the heart muscle with the food and oxygen. So the heart muscle becomes damaged when the coronary artery is partially blocked because oxygen will no longer be able to get through and reach the heart muscle. But the question here is, how can the coronary artery get blocked? The coronary artery gets blocked as a result of the build-up of fat deposits or cholesterol on the walls of the artery. And this will probably lead to a heart attack or angina. So notice, guys, how the blockage of the coronary artery happens. So, angina or heart attack is caused by the narrowing of the coronary arteries, usually as a result of fats like cholesterol sticking to the inside walls of the arteries. As a result, this will slow down the flow of blood, causing the blood to clot and block the vessels. So, the food and the oxygen will no longer be able to reach the heart muscle. However, good news is that the heart attack or the coronary heart disease can be avoided by the following. It can be avoided by taking regular exercises, skipping or avoiding smoking, and eating healthy diet.